Good morning, all of you. Sorry, good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please turn on your videos. Videos turn on, please turn on your videos. Nawaz is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write down, okay, and participants, students, please write down the attendance and give it to me later. Okay,
Okay.
don't miss out any names. Okay, if you will miss out any name, they won't be able to see the video. Okay, they won't be able to read the video. So please note it down properly. Acha, thik ase. I will be taking your PSM practicals, okay, on vital signs. And for practicals, I have told you before also to buy like this type of copy. Okay, please buy this copy. It is a practical notebook. Thik ase. Here you have to write down the experiment number, serial number, subject name, and all that. And here in this rule area, you will have to write down the note, and if any diagram is required in this plain paper, you will be writing. You will have to draw the diagrams. Okay. I won't take for that long because again I have your FA class, right? So I had class in the morning. That's why I was not able to take your class. Okay, please write down vital signs. Please turn on your videos, others. I can't see any of you. Please turn on your videos. Nawaz, Susmita, Adanu, everyone please. Monowar, Jyotika Sharma. Okay, ठीक है. Vital signs. Whenever we talk about vital signs consist of 4 things. ठीक है. First is, let me tell you. First is temperature. Okay, temperature. Then next is pulse. Then respiration. Last, blood pressure, BP. Okay. Whenever we say vital signs, you should not say like temperature, BP, pulse, respiration. Ulta pulta no. Shushmita Das. Shushmita Das is Shushmita Das, not Das Susmita. Das Susmita niki no, no? Shushmita Das. Same like that. When I say vital signs, you should say first temperature, then pulse, then respiration, then blood pressure. Serially. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And serially. So let us discuss one by one. Write down vital signs. Write down temperature. Turn on your videos. Whoever won't turn on your videos, you will be marked as absent. Temperature, you write down. Temperature may be defined. Temperature may be defined. Temperature may be defined as the degree of heat maintained by the body. As the degree of heat maintained by the body. Temperature defined as the degree of heat maintained by the body. Heat maintained by the body.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, say.
As the degree of?
As the degree of heat. H-E-A-T, heat.
Okay.
Heat maintained by the body. Maintained, M-A-I-N-T-A-I-N-E-D. Maintained by the body. Full stop. It is the balance. It is the balance. It is the balance between. It is the balance between. It is the balance between heat produced, H-E-A-T, heat produced, P-R-O-D-U-C-E-D, heat produced and heat loss from the body. Heat produced and heat loss from the body. Whenever you have fever, what happens? Your temperature increases. Okay, when you are normal, your temperature is maintained. But whenever you have high fever, your temperature might go above 100 degrees. Okay. Temperature, you know what is temperature? Saurabh
From the
Das?
body.
Saurabh Das, you know what is temperature? Saurabh, what? Unmute yourself. Temperature mane? Huh?
উষ্ণতা নহয় জানো?
Huh?
Hello?
What?
And
Temperature is what? It is the heat maintained by the degree of heat produced by the body. Okay. Jor hole what happens? What happens?
উষ্ণতা
What happens when you have fever? Veronica? Veronica, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
What happens when you have fever? Your temperature increases or decreases?
increases.
Okay. So full stop. Next you write down types. Types. T-Y-P-S, types. Types. Number 1 you write down core temperature. Number 1, core temperature. C-O-R-E. C-O-R-E, core temperature. Put a dash and write down. It is the temperature of deep, D-E-E-P, deep body tissues, deep body tissues, B-O-D-Y, body tissues of the body. Deep, D-E-E-P, deep body tissues of the body, B-O-D-Y, body, full stop. Example, cranium, C-R-A-N-I-U-M, cranium. C-R-A-N-I-U-M, cranium, comma, thorax, T-H-O-R-A-X, cranium, thorax, comma, abdominal, A-B-D-O-M-I-N-A-L, abdominal and pelvic cavity. Abdominal and pelvic cavity, C-A-V-I-T-Y, cavity. Full stop. It is 37 degrees Celsius. It is 37 degrees Celsius and remains constant. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T, constant. Full stop. See all this cranium, thorax, abdominal, pelvic cavity, all these things, I will give you the pictures later on in your WhatsApp group. Okay, you will be able to see the pictures there. And also for all these classes, you will be getting in your physiology or else anatomy subject. Okay, so I won't be repeating the same things. I will give you the notes fast. Okay. Number 2, you write down surface temperature. Surface temperature. Surface temperature, the dash, surface, S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface temperature. Put a dash and write down the body temperature. The body temperature varies from, V-A-R-I-E-S, varies from skin, S-K-I-N, skin, comma, tissues and fats. Skin, comma, subcutaneous tissues and fats. Subcutaneous.
hello ma'am. Very was from তাৰপিছত কি
Varies
হয়?
from skin, chamurs, S-Can, skin, comma, subcutaneous, S-U-B-C-U-T-A-N-E-O-U-S, subcutaneous tissues, T-I-S-S-U-V-S, tissues and fats, F-A-T-S, fats. Full stop. It can vary according to, V-A-R-Y, vary. It can vary according to environmental temperature. According to environmental temperature. Surface temperature means what? Sometimes, now see, it's raining. Today is a rainy day. So your skin and all, it will be cold, thanda, okay, it will be normal. But sometimes when it is so hot, okay, 37 degree, 38 degree, 34 degree, when it's too much hot, what happens? Even if you don't have fever, okay, jor nohaleyo, what will happen? Your skin becomes warm, you feel hot from inside. Okay, so that is the surface mein tumar skin. Okay, thanda time what happens during winter? You feel cold. Okay, your skin is also, temperature is very cold, pura haath saath thanda ho jay. Okay, during garmi season what will happen? Even if you don't have fever, jor or no, what happens? Your skin becomes very hot to touch. Okay, so this is what is meant by surface temperature. Okay, the temperature of your skin, subcutaneous tissues and your fats. Okay, number 3, next you write normal temperature. Normal temperature, normal, NORML, normal temperature. Normal temperature, normal temperature. The body temperature, the body temperature, the body temperature, the body temperature varies between, the body temperature varies between, VARIES, varies between 97, varies, 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 varies between, BTWWN, between 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. 97 to 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. F लिखा, F Fahrenheit, FAHREIHEIT, Fahrenheit. In bracket, at the bracket open kora and write down 36 to 37 degree Celsius. 36 to 37 degree Celsius. So Fahrenheit or Hudile, what you will say? The normal temperature is 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit. If I ask in Celsius, what will you say, Sora? Celsius or Hudile, what you will say?
36 to 37 degrees Celsius.
So itu mane ki hoy? It is your normal range. Okay, normal to koi aso etia. So normal ranges in Fahrenheit different, Celsius different. Okay. See your for measuring what is the instrument for measuring temperature? Anybody knows? Kushal Bora?
Thermometer.
Yes.
Thermometer.
Yes, good. So the instrument for measuring temperature is this thermometer. Understand? This is your thermometer. This is a clinical thermometer. ठीक है? This is a clinical one. But at a pi, okay, that is digital. Means if you will put directly it will come in that way. But this one, what you need to do? You need to wipe it properly. Okay, before coming in, this is the bulb. Okay, it is silver color. This is the bulb. Okay, inside is the mercury. Okay, this is a clinical thermometer, and you need to place it in the axilla. Axilla means tumar armpit. Okay, axilla. Okay, oral is also there. That is different. So this is a clinical thermometer. And you will have to wait for 8 minutes. For 1 minute, you will have to wait. After 1 minute, you will have to take out this, and then you will get to know the temperature of the person. Okay, kintu for babies, okay, oral temperature is mostly preferred. Sorry, not oral, rectal temperature is mostly preferred. Okay. So did you get it? This is a clinical thermometer. Okay, digital one is different, but I don't have now at present. Okay. So then afterwards you write down. Pyrexia or fever is defined as. Pyrexia or fever is defined as. Pyrexia, P-Y-R-E-X-I-A. The other name of fever. Fever means you know na what is fever? Jyotika Sharma. Jyotika
मैम
Sharma, what
साउंड
is
क्लियर
fever?
नहीं है,
Huh?
साउंड क्लियर नहीं है, गूगल में जाए।
I think it is your network issue. Tomorrow network bad hoise. Nawaz, you tell me. Fever mane what is fever? Please tell fast. Say fast. Nawaz, what is fever? Unmute yourself. You say, Nripen Saikya, you say. What is
मैम
fever?
फीवर माने ज्वर है,
Yes.
ज्वर है मैम।
Okay, good. So fever. Okay, the other name of fever is pyrexia. Okay, it is a medical term, pyrexia. P-Y-R-E-X-I-A, pyrexia. Write down. P-Y-R-E-X-I-A, pyrexia. Pyrexia or fever is defined as body temperature above 99 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit too, you can just write F. Okay.
Yes मैम।
Okay. Varies between, body temperature above 99 degree Fahrenheit. So if your body temperature is above 99, it is known as pyrexia. Pyrexia is also known as simply fever. Okay, George. Then make two columns. Duta column, please make two columns. One side you write types and the other side you write range of body temperature. Other side write down types. TYPS, types. And the other side you write down range of body temperature. Range of body temperature. Range of body temperature. Okay. So in types, number 1, write down hypothermia. Hypothermia, HYPO, hypo. HYPO, hypothermia, THERMIA. If you have fever, it will be known as hyperthermia. Okay, less is known as hypothermia, hyperthermia. Hypertension again. Hypothermia, 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 and in the range of body temperature, you just write down below 95 degree Fahrenheit. Below 95 degree Fahrenheit. So less than 95 degree Fahrenheit is known as hypothermia. Hypo. Okay, hypo means less, come. So hypothermia below 95 degree Fahrenheit. Got it? Number 2. Subnormal temperature. Subnormal, SUB sub, normal, NORML, SUB sub, NORML, subnormal temperature, TMPERATY, subnormal temperature. Write down 95 degree to 98 degree Fahrenheit. 95 to 98 degree Fahrenheit is known as subnormal temperature. Okay, if the range is between 95 to 98, it is known as subnormal. If it is below 95, it is known as hypothermia. Okay, next you write down moderate pyrexia. Moderate pyrexia. Moderate, MODERAT, moderate. Acha, don't write moderate, you write down hyperpyrexia. We'll write line by line. Hyper, you write moderate to cut this moderate word, and you write hyperpyrexia. Hyper, HYPR, hyperpyrexia, PYREXIA. Pyrexia means you know fever. Okay, so hyperpyrexia, write down 105 degree Fahrenheit. In range of body temperature, you write down 105 degree Fahrenheit. Did you understand? Understood, Saurabh?
Yes, ma'am. Hyper
Yeah.
का एक बार कोई डिफिनेशन मैम 105 डिग्री सेल्सियस तो
Huh?
hyper
Hyperpyrexia means 105 degree Fahrenheit. 105 degree Fahrenheit. Degree, I think you all know how to write upside. Just make it a circle. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you know. 105 degree Fahrenheit. Next, below you write moderate pyrexia. Moderate. M-O-D-E-R-A-T. Moderate pyrexia. M-O-D-E-R-A-T. Moderate pyrexia. You write 100 to 103 degree Fahrenheit. 100 to 103 degree Fahrenheit. Moderate means it will be in the middle. Okay, neither hypo nor hyper. It is moderate, in the middle. Moderate pyrexia, 100 to 103 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit, you can just write F. Okay. The last one you write down, low pyrexia, low. L-O-W, low pyrexia. Low pyrexia is 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. So if you have low pyrexia, okay, 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. If at home, you are having low pyrexia, you can just take paracetamol or some antibiotics and you will be all right. But if you are having moderate to hyperpyrexia, too much overdraw, then you will have to get admitted to the hospital. Okay, you will need assistance from the doctor and the nurse. Okay, so you will have to be admitted. Okay, so we have got 5 types. First is hypo, then subnormal, then hyperpyrexia. You have got moderate pyrexia, then the last one is Susmita. Say fast.
Low pyrexia.
Low pyrexia. So hypothermia. Banita Chaudhary, tell me what is the range for hypothermia? Banita Chaudhary, say fast. Banita Chaudhary. See, if you want to answer me, you just mark them absent now, okay? Mark them absent, whoever doesn't need to answer.
95 degrees to 98 degrees.
No, below 95 degree Fahrenheit is known as hypo. Below 95 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Subnormal temperature, Kushal, you tell me. Subnormal temperature, tell me the range, Kushal.
Ma'am, 95 Fahrenheit to 98 Fahrenheit.
Okay, good. Next, low pyrexia, sorry, hyperpyrexia. Nawaz, you tell me. Hyperpyrexia, what is the range?
105 degree Fahrenheit.
Okay. Next, moderate pyrexia. Sujata Dole.
100 degree to 103 degree Fahrenheit.
Okay. Low pyrexia, Atanu. Who is Atanu? Atanu, please tell me what is tell me the range for low pyrexia.
99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. 99 to 100 degree Fahrenheit.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Next, you write down. It's done. Okay. You just next point. Next subheading you write regulation of body temperature. Regulation of body temperature. Regulation of body temperature. Okay. For this also you will have to make Duta. You just make a table. Okay, and two sides. One side you write number 1 thermogenesis. Number 1, make 2 columns. Okay, first right side you write thermogenesis. T-H-E-R-M-O, thermogenesis. G-E-N-E-S-I-S, thermogenesis. Thermogenesis. Thermo, T-H-E-R-M-O, thermogenesis. G-E-N-E-S-I-S. Got it? Thermogenesis. Put a dash and write down heat producer. Thermogenesis means it produces heat. Okay, heat production.
Heat
Production. P-R-O, product, D-U-C-T-I-O-N. Heat production. the other side, yeah, you have made 2 columns, right? On the other side you write thermolysis. Thermolysis. Thermo, T-H-E-R-M-O, thermo. T-H-E-R-M-O, thermo. Lysis, L-Y-S-I-S. Put a dash and write down heat loss. Heat loss. When heat is lost from the body, it is known as thermolysis. Okay. Heat loss, L-O-S-S.
Heat loss.
Heat loss, oh,
Oh,
heat
loss.
loss. Okay. There are some other points. There are some other points. I will give it to you in my next class. I think I have class with you all at 1 p.m.
Yes,
FA. So for today, I didn't complete. Okay, this temperature is not complete, but my meeting time is getting over. So I will end up the session here, and then I will let you know about my second class. Okay, for FA theory. Did I start FA theory, Nawaz?
No, ma'am.
No, not even chapter 1.
ma'am, এটা বাজ
No.
Okay, okay. Ki Saurabh?
এটা বাজাত ক্লাছটো কৰিব নেকি আৰু
কিয় নালাগে নেকি?
মানে নাই লাগে মেম নাই এটো এডভান্স হৈ গল ন লাঞ্চ টাইম আছে সেইকাৰণে সুধিলো
লাঞ্চ টাইম মোৰো হৈ গৈছে লাঞ্চ টাইম
ma'am.
কিন্তু কৰা নাই এতিয়া কৰিমে লাঞ্চ তোমাৰো কৰা এতিয়া আধা ঘন্টা
হ'ব ma'am.
ভাত চাত খোৱা নাই নেকি
নাই খোৱা মেম
ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা ক্লাছ
মেম 9টা বজাৰ পৰা উঠো মানে 8টা বজাত উঠো না
ঠিক আছে তেনেহলে মই I will take from 1:15 okay
মেম
লাঞ্চ কৰা ভাত চাত খোৱা ভালকে okay then thank you all of you
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
মেম
okay thank you